Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain CAT questions. In this particular video, we've got a CAT 2017 RC question. Before you go through this video solution, I would request you to solve the question as well as go through the passage analysis video that we put up for the passage. That will greatly help you understand this question. Let's get started with the question now. The particular question that we have here is the purpose of this passage is to. So basically we are identifying here the primary purpose, the purpose of the author of the passage. Why has he written this passage? Now, broadly speaking, the author of the passage has written this passage to tell us what the subnivium is about and how climate change is impacting it. These are two aspects which should be present in the answer options: subnivium and climate change. Option number A, introduce readers to a relatively unknown ecosystem, the subnivium. The problem with this answer option, it only contains one, not both the aspects. Ruled out. B, explain how the subnivium works to provide shelter and food to several species. The problem with this is it misses out on the aspect of climate change. C, outline the effects of climate change on the subnivium. Absolutely valid, right? It highlights primarily what the author wants to convey to us, right? It has both the aspects of the passage within it. Option number D, draw an analogy between the effects of blankets on humans and of snow cover on species living in the subnivium. The problem is in this particular option, we've shifted the focus to the analogy and the effect of blankets and snow cover, right? Whereas the whole gist of the passage, the whole thrust of the passage was subnivium and climate change. The aspect of climate change has completely gone missing from this. Hence, options A, B, and D are ruled out on similar counts. They mainly miss out on the aspect of climate change. We cannot do that. Both the aspects need to be present in the purpose of the passage, right? The question is from a holistic perspective. So you've got to keep that in mind while answering the question. Hopefully so you're clear with the reasoning for this question now. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.